the president being outside the country is a small problem. You understand? The president never told you he will be in the country because he never campaigned to be president of Nigeria. It was INEC that imposed him on you. You understand? We told you when he was coming to office that the man is sick. Nobody listened to us. They even sang a song, Baba is sick and he's falling apart. Nobody listened to us. We told you that he's coming to govern Nigeria with his family. You didn't listen to us. Now that he's in power, we are calling him president. And now that he doesn't govern from Abuja, he's governing on WhatsApp. You are worried about it. Start listening to what we tell you so that when the problem comes, you not keep asking us the same question over and over again.
Okay, Mr. Sowore,
yes.
I want you to call a spade a spade.
Yes.
Before Tinubu, there was Buhari.
Yes.
Regarding security, he promised that the issue will be solved. Tinubu claimed the same thing, but the problem persists. How are we sure you will be different?
I am different because I have prepared myself for over 35 years. 35 years that I have been fighting against insecurity, corruption. I'm one of the few people that have fought for democracy in this country. And I have told you before that the people who claim to be governing Nigeria now never fought for democracy. I was the one who told you that Tinubu was selling drugs. In Chicago in 1993, when we were fighting for democracy with Abiola here in Nigeria, they were in bed with Abacha, but pretending that they were fighting for democracy under Nadeko. I have said this, I've granted this interview in several places. How do you know who is different? It's the person who has been consistent. It's a person with character. It's a person you can trust, who you can close your eyes and go to bed and you know that the person will not betray you. You understand? Are you getting my point? You know, I used to make a joke with a friend of mine. In the last election, there are two of us whose name existed in the Bible. One of them was Peter. My name is Stephen. One betrayed Jesus 3 times. The other one was stoned by charlatans. The charlatans in this country keep stoning their saviors. That's the problem.
That's true.
That's the biggest problem. So we have prepared ourselves to get the country out of the woods. But as long as you give charlatans the opportunity to run your country, then you keep asking the same question all over and over and over again. Are you getting my point? Yes. Thank you.